Hello, viewers. Welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today, I will discuss the topic everything you need to know about study visa of Australia. Introduction to Australian study visa. To study in Australia, you need to apply for a student visa. The process includes choosing a course, meeting English language requirements, and financial capacity. Eligibility criteria. You must be enrolled in a CRICOS registered course. You must show proof of sufficient funds to support your stay. You must meet health and character requirements. Types of Australian student visa. The most common types of student visa in Australia are subclass 500, 590, and 491. Each has its own eligibility requirements and conditions. How to apply for an Australian student visa? To apply for an Australian student visa, you need a confirmation of enrollment, valid passport, English proficiency, and financial support. Apply online and attend an interview if required. Contact an education agent or visit the Australian Government's Department of Home Affairs website for more information. Documents required for an Australian student visa. To apply for an Australian student visa, you need a valid passport, confirmation of enrollment, health insurance, proof of funds, and English proficiency test result. After you get your visa, to maintain your Australian student visa, you must maintain your enrollment status and academic progress. You may also work part time as per visa conditions. Conclusion and additional resources. Australia offers different types of study visas, including the student visa, subclass 500, and the temporary graduate visa, subclass 485. Check the Australian Government's Department of Home Affairs website for more information and resources on visa options and requirements. Thank you for considering Australia as your study destination. Good luck with your visa application. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.